In this video, we will discuss about the different identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare two operands to check the below. If two operands have the same memory location. If two operands are same in value. If two operands refer to the same object. We can use the ID function to print the memory location of the operands. There are two types of identity operators in Python. First identity operator is the is operator. It returns true if both the operands are of same object. Second identity operator is the is not operator. It returns true if both the operands are not of same object. We can use the ID function to print the memory location of where the object is actually stored. For example, variable x is declared as a list with 3 values. Print ID of x prints the memory location where the actual value is stored. The memory location printed here will be different for different environments. Let's test the identity operators using a program. Two similar list variable a and b are assigned with 3 similar values as py hello and world. Variable c is assigned with the value of variable a. Print statements are added for all the 3 variables a, b and c using the ID function to check their memory address. Once executed, we can see that the list A and list C have similar values as well as memory location, whereas list B prints a different memory location. 2 print statements are added. Compare the list A and list B. The first prints checks if the value of list A equals the value of list B. The second prints checks if the value of list A equals the value of list B using the is operator, and also checks if the memory location is same for both the list. When executed, the first print statement returns true as the values present in both the list A and list B are similar. Equal operator always checks for the values and not the memory location. The second print statement returns false even though the values are similar because is operator also checks for memory location other than the similar values, and as we have seen previously that the memory location of A and B are different, that's why it returned false. Adding another print statement using is operator to check if list C is equal to list A. When executed, the condition returns true as both the list A and C have same memory location and even the same values. Adding another print statement using is not operator to check if list C is not equal to list A. Is not returns true if the value is not present or matching, and false otherwise. When executed, it returns false as list C is equal to list A. These are the different ways in which the identity operators are used in Python.